Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bricks out of mud. Mud bricks, also known as adobe, are a time-tested building material, offering a sustainable and cost-effective solution. They are created using simple, natural ingredients found in most environments. This process allows for construction with minimal environmental impact, utilizing the earth itself as a primary resource. It's a straightforward technique that has been used for thousands of years. The first crucial step is selecting the right soil. You'll want a soil mixture with approximately 20 to 30% clay content, balanced with sand and silt. A simple way to test your soil is to wet a handful and roll it into a sausage shape. If it holds together for 20 to 30 centimeters, it's suitable. Before mixing, sieve your dry soil to remove any large pebbles, stones, or unwanted organic matter. Now let's mix our brick material. A common recipe is 2 parts clay-rich soil, 1 part sand, and 1 part fibrous material like straw. Gradually add water while mixing thoroughly, aiming for a stiff, cottage cheese-like consistency that compacts when squeezed. Once mixed, firmly press the mud into your wooden brick molds, ensuring all corners are completely filled. Level the top with a straight edge. After molding, gently remove the wet bricks from their forms and place them on a level, sunny surface, ideally covered with sand or straw. Let them dry for about 5 days. Then, turn the bricks onto their edges to allow for more even air circulation and continued drying. The curing process takes at least 4 weeks, during which time you must protect them from rain and excessive moisture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.